So how do you know what the video looks like on the Instagram profile, right? So there are some things and some tools you can utilize for it. For example, you might be uploading a video to your Instagram as usual, right? And you have the ability to just click on the plus button, whatever. But once you go through the Reels process, when you upload it as that, you will have the basically the ability to see the preview of what it will look like. So you get to this like new Reel creation page. You can see that you can just go to the preview. You can see what it will look. But if you click on edit cover, you can upload your cover image from the gallery or choose a frame from the video, right? So that is the cover image. But if you go to the profile grid, you can see this is what it will look like. And you even have the ability to adjust that even in here, right? So I can slightly slide it up and then down to make it look a little bit different. If you feel like some parts of the image are not in the frame, you can adjust it that way. But as I said, you can as well just upload something from your camera roll, like from the gallery, right? So you can literally replace the frames of the photo or video with some kind of like your own imagery. So that's how it works, and that's how you can see what the video will look like on your profile. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed. I quickly wanted to explain how it works. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.